In this tutorial I will show you how to adjust your image using color range. So let's get started. Go to Select, Color Range. The Color Range command selects a specified color or color range within an existing selection, or an entire image. The results are subtle because this technique selects parts of color within a color mix. You will notice a mask area of the selected color where you can use for adjustments. When you select the color range command, then select adjustment panel, you will notice the mask colored selection area will apply. So every time you use the color range command, make sure that you select your layer image. See the adjustments every time using the color range command. You can also adjust the range of the selection mask. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.